Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you about a tool that is completely free and has AI video generator and has even free text to speech. The AI in question is called Nero AI, as you can see right over here. So just simply type in Nero on your Google Chrome browser and then open the first link over here. Now this is the AI that I was talking about. Currently it is free, so all you have to do is just simply click on create free AI videos. Once you're in the studio, you will find a lot of options, as you can see right over here. So you will find the option of generating video where you will get the avatars of multiple characters, as you can see right over here. You can just simply choose them directly over here. There's also many settings like ad wizard. The ad wizard means you can create direct ads that you can run on Facebook or Google, whatever you may have. Directly you can create those ads with realistic voice and emotions. So as you can see over here, you will have the option of emotion too. Now this is one of the features as well, and the next feature is text to speech. So this is a place where you can add your text and it will give you an entire audio. And lastly, a new feature should be arriving soon, which is the voice converter, as you can see right over here. Now this will have the ability of converting your voice into any voice. Let me show you how to use this software. So firstly, just simply go to dashboard, and right over here you'll find a tutorial video that you can watch. If you don't want to watch this, just simply go to generate video, and I'm going to give you a basic idea of how to use this. Just simply choose a character right over here. So if you want, you can also create custom avatars. Just simply click on that. Now over here, as you can see, you will have to paste something in order for you to get your own avatar over here. Now after you've chosen an avatar over here, you can change the background. Obviously you can upload your own background. You can choose any of the random background over here, and after choosing a background, just simply click on save changes. After the background is set, which you will not be able to see right away because the background will be shown to you in the final output. Now after you've chosen the background, choose the language. In which language do you want your avatar to speak? For me, I'm going to choose English, but you will have a lot of language over here. And after that, just simply choose the voice. So you can pick the voice depending on the avatar that you have chosen. So as you can see, this is the avatar that I have chosen. Now click on the drop down box, and over here you will find a lot of characters with ages over here. So I've chosen the 20-year-old avatar voice. All you have to do is just simply click on the voice and you can click on save changes. You can also click on this play option to hear what it sounds like. Now after that, click on save changes. After it's done, it's time for you to create a script. If you want, you can obviously go to ChatGPT and get your script, but you will have an inbuilt generator right over here. So just simply add a topic and you will get the script. Now all you have to do is click on generate script, then enter your topic right over here, and then just simply type your audience over here. Now as you can see right over here, I have written my topic and the audience that I'm going to target. Click on generate. Now it will take some time, so be patient and wait for it to complete. So as you can see right over here, the moment it will give you the complete script, it will give you two copies. The first copy and the second copy. These are the two options that you can choose from. So let's say for example you like the second one over here. So just simply click on that and click on use this script. Now after that, just simply choose the emotion. Click on that and then just simply choose the emotion that suits your script right over here. And after you have done all of it, just simply click on generate video. Now as you can see right over here, the video is being made. When the video will be completed, you will be able to see in the dashboard, and it will also be mailed to you. So you can just simply go ahead and check in the inbox. If we click on dashboard right over here, give it a few seconds to load, and as you can see, this is the video that we are currently getting, and it is currently under process. So just simply wait for a few seconds. The moment it is ready, click on the video, and then you will have the option to download it right over here. Click on download and save to location. So now I'm going to show you the final result.
Once upon a time, there was a little boy who wandered into the forever forest, lost and scared.
So that's it, and thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe to our channel. Take care.